calling grab to the Big Buddha. Let's go. Wat Chalong. What's up, guys? So today I am going to the Big Buddha statue, and also I'm going to see if I can go to the other temple that's nearby. And right now I'm just waiting on my video to finish rendering, but it is September 27th. I'll upload the video today. By the time you're watching this video, you'll see it probably within the first week of October. All right, let's go. Finished uploading the video. Now just gonna call a grab. For those of you who don't know what grab is, it's like the Uber of Thailand. I'm at my Airbnb right now, calling grab to the Big Buddha. Let's go. I'm just getting a drink before I head out. So I got a tuk-tuk service next to the smoothie shop. And they said 1,400 baht to take me to the Big Buddha, then to Wat Chalong, and then come back to Patong Beach. The tuk-tuk service is next to the smoothie shop. It would have costed me a little bit more if I took a Grab. Big Buddha is an impressive white marble statue located in the heights of Knackered Hills. It is a 45-meter tall statue and can be seen from the southern part of Phuket. This attraction is not just a monument, but also a Buddhist shrine, as well as a museum. The temple's construction began in 2004 by money collected from the public donations and is still going on. The monks are here to perform the religious ceremonies. At the entrance, snacks and souvenir shops are available. You can also hike to the entrance from Karon, a 2.5 kilometer hike through the jungle. Big Buddha gives us stunning nature views of 3 bays and tropical birds. If your clothes are short or revealing, you might be asked to wear a robe. Wat Chalong. Built at the beginning of the 19th century. Its real name is Wat Chayatararam, but you probably won't see it on any road signs. It is the largest of Phuket's temples and the most viewed. Locals and many Thai tourists come to pray and pay respects to several revered monks who were the founders of Wat Chalong. Among them, Luang Po Cham and Luang Po Chuang, two monks who led the citizens of Chalong sub-district fight against the Chinese rebellion in 1876, and with their knowledge of herbal medicine helped the injured. The most recent building on the grounds of Wat Chalong is a 60-meter tall jetty, sheltering a splinter of bone from Buddha. Walls and ceilings are decorated with beautiful painting illustrating the life of Buddha, as well as many donated golden statues. Wat Chalong jetty is built on 3 floors, so feel free to climb all the way to the top floor terrace, get a bird-eye view of the entire temple grounds. A few more steps will lead you to a glass display where the fragment of a bone can be contemplated.